First is just writing all, explaining all one by one. Occurrence of day and night. Okay, look at this concept. This is an Earth. Earth is spinning on its own axis in the direction west to east. This is axis of rotation. And now sunlight is coming from which direction? East direction. So this is sun rays. Keep on drawing along with me. Sun rays falling onto the earth. All the time, sun rays can reach how much part of the earth? All the time, 50%, half of the earth. Half of the earth always faces light or sunlight. So this, suppose this is the axis of rotation. This is an axis of rotation. This line just make a dotted line, different line. This line does not overlap with what? Okay, this shaded region is facing what? Sun rays. And this becomes which part of the earth? Day part of the earth. Half of the earth. Please make different axes that separate day and what? Night part of the earth. We come to that point. Its tilting is there. Definitely 23.5 degrees tilting. In seasons, that concept will be coming. Hold on for some time. So first assume this is the axis of rotation, and this is the part that experiences sunlight. Half of the part. And this axis that separate day part as well as what? Night part, called as circle of illumination. So day and night is not separated by axis of rotation. Day and night is separated by what? Circle of illumination. Circle of illumination divide day and night part of the earth. Half of the earth day, half of the earth night exist. Okay. Is it any day in the year both the axes both meets, overlap? Yes, only 2 days. There are 2 dates on the entire 365 days. They can overlap. What are 2 dates? You know it. 2 dates in the entire year. Equinox. That's called, this concept called, right? At equinoxes, both meets up or overlap. Now I'm giving the hint. Find out the dates. You might have learned in NCERTs. I'm assuming that you have gone through all NCERTs. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छे. पढ़ के आना है. Okay. First is louder. Okay. 21st March and 23rd September. 2 dates. 21st of March and 23rd of September. These are 2 dates. Please remember these 2 calendar dates. On 21st of March and 23rd of September, every year both the lines overlap. And during that time, all the parts of the earth have 12 hours day, 12 hours night. So what is the meaning of this? At equinoxes, both the axis of rotation and circle of illumination meets up, overlap. And the dates are 21st March, 23rd. What is the impact of this overlapping? Come on. 12 hours, day and night. 12 hours daytime and 12 hours what? Every point, North Pole to South Pole, every point will have 12 hours daytime and 12 hours night time. Rest of the other days in a year, is the length of the day and night is same? No. You would just try to understand. The day period and night period is not same. That concept is season. That concept is what called? Just note one thing. Occurrence of day night is up to here only. variation in the length of day and night period in a year is nothing but which concept? That is season. In summer day is longer, in winters which days are shorter, nights are longer. That happens. Variation in the length of day and night period in a year is producing new concept. Concept of what? And for that, rotation is not helping. You have to go with revolution, you go with tilt in that case. Wait for some time. बात समझ में? So day night is very simple. So day is simply what? Earth is spinning. So half of the part day, half the part night. Now confusion will arise. Is the length of the day and night is same? Answer is only at 2 days in a year, day length and the night length is same. What are the 2 dates? 2 dates, 21st March and that is called equinox. Only, and the rest of the year, days are highly unequal. Okay, and this variation in the length of day and night give you the concept of what? Season. So we will do it. Season itself, like what is the cause for season? Just very brief. 3 reasons. सबसे बड़ा reason है tilt. Second reason is revolution. Third reason is rotation. But all has not having equal weightage. We will explain this. Most weightage is given to what? Tilt. Second weightage given to what? And the least weightage given to rotation. Okay, ठीक है? Now occurrence of day. Now come to the season. Let's see, put that season only we are completing here. Concept of season, just here only. Concept of season. This it's a connected topic. Just we complete this separately. Yeah, but night will be of 6 months. It coming up here. Days of what? 6 months. That is 1 day equal to 6 months, and 1 night is equal to what? 6 months. Exactly at poles. So let me. For that you can understand here for the concept of season. Concept of day and night is cleared. Oh, now next is concept of seasons. You put it in the column. लिख लीजिए concept of season occurrence. Like season का मतलब first understand what is season. Everyone experience season. क्या होता है? In a year, every place on the earth experience a cycle of weather change. Isn't it not? Like sometime we have winter, sometime summer, sometime transition season. Isn't it not? So concept of season is a cyclic process. Which process? And cycle will complete in how much time period? 1 year. It's a cyclic process consists of duration of every place on the earth. Same situation will arise after a gap of 1 year. Season is a cyclic process and cycle of 1 year period. And that let's see, like make a cycle. Make a cycle.